In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can link your Twitch account over to Patreon. So once we are on Patreon's homepage right here, what we want to do is head over to the right hand side and click on these three dots right here. Once we click on this, select edit page. And then once we select edit page, you'll be brought over to here where we can now scroll down until you see the option for social links. Now what you want to do is go to where it says Twitch and then select connect. That will then bring you this pop-up menu right here where you will now need to enter and log in to your Twitch account. So once you've entered in your login details, just simply click on login. And then once you click on login, you may need to verify that this is your account. So once you have verified that it is your account, all you simply need to do is scroll down and then click on authorize. And then once you click on authorize, that will mean that you have linked your Patreon account to your Twitch account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like in today's video and I will see you in the next one.